Hello everyone, I am R. Abdul Hafiz from 7th standard in Star Matriculation High Secondary School. Today I am talk about few incidents which have happened in 2021. Topic number 1, world's smallest reptile. In February 2021 came the news that scientists believe they may have discovered the smallest reptile on Earth, a chameleon species, the size of a seed. Two of the tiny lizards were discovered by a German Madagascar expedition in Madagascar. The male Brucia nano or nano chameleon has its body just 13.5 millimeter. This makes it the smallest of about 11,500 known species according to the Bavarian State Collection of Zoology. Topic number 2. People sold NFT. Mike Winkelmann, known popularly as Beeple, he sold a non-fungible token of NFT. His work for $69 million in an acquisition at Christ. NFT is a unit of digital data. It is unique and cannot be replaced with something else. For example, a Bitcoin would be traded for another Bitcoin, but you get something 10 Bitcoins, you get 10 Bitcoins, or something worth 10 Bitcoins. However, if you trade an NFT, you get something that is completely different. NFT art piece, whatever rate is paid for it. Topic number 3, Joe Biden swarming. 79-year-old Joe Biden was inaugurated as the 46th President of the United States of America on January 20 at a swearing-in ceremony at Capitol Hill, Washington, D.C. Following his victory in the 2021 presidential election over Republican incumbent Donald Trump, a Democrat who earlier served as the Vice President under Barack Obama. Biden was sworn in as the President by Supreme Chief Justice John Roberts on the same day. Kamala Harris, the first woman and the first Asian American Vice President, was inaugurated. The ceremony including performance by Lady Gaga and Jennifer Lopez. The fold of the Paris Climate Accord and the World Health Organization and suspended construction of the US-Mexico border wall earlier on January 6. A furious mob of Donald Trump supporters stormed Capitol Hill, hoping to block Congress certification of Biden's win and overturn the mandate. Topic number 4. India's vaccination milestone. India began the year 2021 by kickstarting a vaccination drive after approving the emergency use of two coronavirus vaccines, namely Covaxin developed by Serum Institute of India and Covaxin developed by Bharat Biotech. Beginning with healthcare and frontline workers, the drive gave priority to people above 50 years and those with comorbidities in the second stage. It was slowly instilled to everyone above the age of 18 years. The country made headlines in October for administering more than beginning with healthcare and frontline workers. The drive gave priority to people above 50 years and those with comorbidities in the second stage. It was slowly instilled to everyone above the age of 18 years. The country made headlines in October for administering more than a billion COVID jabs in 278 days, and India vaccination drive was touted as the biggest in the world. As per government data, by the end of 2021, India had vaccinated more than 50% of the adult population with both doses of vaccine, approximately 85% with at least one dose. When 2021 drive to a close, India approved two new indigenous developed vaccines, Covaxin and Covaxin, and a continuation antiviral drug molecule for emergency use. On December 26, it announced vaccines for teenagers aged between 15 and to be rolled out from January 3, 2022. Topic number 5, at home, away from home. Even though India lost the final of the inaugural World Test Championship, 2021 was a largely successful year for Indian Test cricket, especially away from home. It started on January 19 when Rishabh Pant helped India achieve a target of 328 against Australia on final day of the final test to complete a come from behind 2-1 victory against the Ashes. After branching Australia is fortress at the Gabba, India achieved success at the Lords in August and the Oval in September, both at London for 2-1 lead after four matches in the 5 Test series. The in a year where the Indian test side was at home away from home as well. They completed the year by branching another fortress when they won the first test against South Africa at Centurion in December. The refurbished Motra Stadium in Ahmedabad renamed the Narendra Modi Stadium with a total capacity of 132,000. It is only one of the largest stadiums in the world of the refused stadium, first hosted two tests against England, both of which were won by India. I am very happy to share these topics with you. Thanks.